In this video, we are discussing about the few Node.js interview questions that are related to interview purpose. When coming to first question, what is Node.js and how does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a server-side scripting JavaScript runtime environment that is event-driven and non-clothing, making it suitable for real-time and highly concurrent applications. It differs from Apache, which is from web server, PHP, which is a server-side scripting language, primary in terms of programming language and IO model. When coming to second question, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Um, Contact function in Node.js are functions or arguments to other functions used for asynchronous operation. They are common in Node.js, non-locking, education, and inefficient handling of tasks without waiting for the completion. When coming to third question, what is the purpose of package.json file, a Node.js project? Can you explain key properties found on this file? The packages.js JSON file is Node.js file, so configuration file, and the key properties include in at the first one is name, which is the project name, and second name is version, the present project version, and the dependencies, the external dependency, the external packages, and the fourth one is a dev dependent is development only packages, and the fifth one is scripts, custom comments, shortcuts, and sixth one is main entry point for the common JS modules, and the seventh one is author and license, project author and licensing information. When coming to fourth question, explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js, which of why would you one over the other? In Node.js, a require is used to import modules using common JX syntax, while import is used with CS modules using marking with common JS modules. Common JS module in Node.js compatibility with existing Node.js and libraries. Use import when working with ES6 modules in Node.js. When we want to take advantage of ES6 stages like advantages like ES6 more standardizing modules. However, note that Node.js will begin support in ES6 modules in recent versions, and fully adoption depends on your Node.js version and the project requirements. When coming to fixed question, what is the mutable in the context of Express.js? Can you give me an example? Would use middleware in a Express application? In the context of Express.js, middleware fx2 function that have to access to the request to the respect and the objects to a express application request response cycle. Middleware functions can perform various tasks such as modifying the rectors or response in objects ending the request. When coming to sixth question, what is result full API RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method using RESTful APIs. RESTful API is a way to design web services that follow specific architectural principles. In Node.js with Express.js, you create a one by defining rules for resources using HTTP methods like get, post, unfoot, and delete. Main HTTP method used in RESTful API is a get method, to retrieve the data, and post method to create a new data, and the foot method to update the existing data, and delete to remove the existing data. When coming to uh, seventh question, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager (npm) and how does you use it to manage dependence in a Node.js project? The purpose of npm is to manage dependency in a Node.js project, and we use it by specifying the packages your project needs in a package.js JSON file, and installing them by using npm.install. When coming to eighth question, why is it important to hash passport in a web application? It is very important hash warfare in a web application because it protects user data by converting passwords into a non-reversible format, making it difficult for attachments to access for misuse them. That's all this is about the interview questions. Thank you.